How to block unknown callers on WhatsApp. WhatsApp does not have a single button to automatically block all unknown callers at once, but you can achieve this by combining its built-in automation tool with manual blocking. All you have to do is launch the WhatsApp application itself and log into your account. Now you simply have to tap on these three vertical dots on the top right corner, then open the settings panel. From here, head to the privacy section, then go to the calls option. Once you're here, make sure to enable this silence unknown callers option. Once you turn this feature on, you won't be getting any call ringing noise, but you should be able to find the number who had previously called you within this calls section as well as your notification bar. You simply have to open or simply long press that specific number and you will find this block icon on the top. Go ahead and tap block. And there you go. This is how you can block any numbers within the WhatsApp. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.